How's it going, everyone? This is Sergio Vargas with John Eagle Honda, and I'm right here with the new 2020 Honda Accord EXL. So we'll take a quick look around this vehicle. As you can see, this one's kind of been dressed up. Let's get a closer look at it. This one has the body side molding there, so you can see how that looks. And then, as you can see, this one has the deck lid spoiler. So some quick facts about this vehicle. As you can see right here, this vehicle comes with LED daytime running lights, and you also have LED fog lights. And then also this vehicle comes standard with the 17-inch alloys. We'll take a quick look at the trunk area here. You got the latch to knock down the seats. You also have a cargo tray here, help protect that carpeted area on the bottom. So this vehicle is also going to come standard with the driver's seat with 2-position memory. So you see that there. You also get leather trim seats, leather trim front and back seats. You also get leather wrapped steering wheel, and then you also get leather wrapped shift knob. So you get that right there. Go ahead and turn on the vehicle. So this vehicle is going to come standard with the Honda Sensing. So it's going to have the collision mitigation braking system, blind spot info system, road departure mitigation. It also has lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. Then we'll go down here by the shifter. As you can see, there's the eco button there, the emergency brake, and then you also have brake hold. Then by the rear view mirror, you can see those 3 buttons there will be the home link system, so you could program your garage door or community gate. And also this vehicle comes standard with a 450 watt premium audio system with 10 speakers and a subwoofer. Now, if you have any questions about this vehicle or any of our vehicles, give me a call, 281-455-2774. You can text me at that number, 281-455-2774. Thank you.